Hi all! I could not believe what is happening right now. It's beyond possible. It's beyond possible because I talked to you about this bag some weeks ago and I could not imagine what happened next. So if you want to see the video, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover, and above all, a Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It's free, it's funny, and we are a nice community who love bags. So, welcome. Without further ado, I could not imagine today's an unboxing, and I will show you the bag. I'm saying the bag because oh my god, I could not believe what happened. So I unbox it and we'll talk together later. In the bag, there's a box, and I love when they ship in a box because you never know how the parcel will be shipped, so I prefer. You can see the Longchamp tag and the information. In fact, there's also another item, but let's discover about the bigger one. So I open it. If I succeed, yes, I succeed. So inside the box, the dust bag, that's pretty cool. Ta-da! So let's discover together because I'm afraid. It's so incredible that I found this bag now. I'm afraid. It is brand new. I will explain you later where I found it. And oh my god! Look at this gorgeous foulonné bag from Longchamp, and oh my god! So it's the famous bowling bag I talked to you in my previous video. It's a bag I completely missed for several reasons. But I was still in the hunt for this bag and I got it. I got it on a website called in French Veepee. I presume this website is present in several countries in Europe. I don't know in America or in Asia. And the website offers you every day big sales on several brands, but it could be bags, it could be shoes, clothing, even travels. And there was a Longchamp sale. It's my sister who called me, it was the end of the day, and she called me and she told me, hey, look at Veepee, there's a Longchamp sale. So I went directly because it's always good to buy things because it's brand new. It's not secondhand, it's brand new, it's all the stock. And what was my surprise when I discovered this bag? So I directly ordered it and yes. So let me show you the website I'm talking to. Every day you got some special offer on various brands. Here you can see you've got Superdry, Timberland, Love Moschino, and well, let me show you the sales which interest us. It was Longchamp, and as you can read, the sales is open until Monday 7 November, 6 hours in the morning. So you have to open it. And here are, so all is in French because the website is in the French version, and you can see what is available. And so I was browsing the sales, and then I discovered this. So you can see there's a bunch of articles, and I was interested by several items, but I also got some item like this one. I got it in yellow. Le pliage cuir, I also got it. And well, so let me show you, because my item, there's still item left, and this one. And so when I see this one, I nearly fell from my from my chair. So the bag retails for 420 euro, but thanks to this sale, it only cost, yes, okay, 200 euro. So that's a big bargain, 52%. So you can open it. You've got a better, a better, I'm talking German. You got a better description. You've got several pics and a full description below. And this is where I found my bag. So I was really on the moon, because I could not imagine this could happen. I can find this bag again. So I'm really happy, and I'm more than happy because I did not pay the full price for it. So that's great. Thanks for watching. So this is the bowling bag in Foulonne leather. And oh my God, I'm really happy. So there's a strap all in leather. Let me detach it. Oh, and so cute. It's bicolor. Okay, look how gorgeous it is. It's gunmetal hardware. And okay, I completely and there's a bunch. Okay, the bag was stuffed to protect it. Okay, and okay, it's very simple. It's a big compartment, all in black. And wait a second. Okay, it's brand new, so it's quite hard to open it. And yes, look, it's black ribbon jacquard. And oh my God, it's super roomy. And you've got, okay, it's all black, so it's difficult for me to show you, but you got a zip pocket here, and you got two flap pockets here. And so you've got two closure, as you can see it. And look how gorgeous it is. It is not the same leather as the bag. This is Foulonne leather. You can see by the texture. And oh my God, I love this leather. And this one is just a smooth leather. But it's really, really nice. And yes, the dimension. Okay, oh, there's a pocket. I just thought it was for the style, but no, you've got a push button and a side pocket here, which is quite roomy, really cool. On the other side, you just got this tab, this leather tab. And yes, and look, it's black. Oh my God, the handles are black, the button is black, and the bag is white. Really, it's white, not cream, not a bit yellowish or beige. No, it's purely white. And oh my God, I'm so happy. Of course, it was a bit, they put it in the, but I will stuff it and this will disappear, because I know Foulonne leather, it just how the bag was placed, but it's really not a problem. Oh my God, it's really, really cute. I was afraid, as it is brand new and really white, it got a scratch or a mark, a black mark, but no. Oh, the button here is black. It's really chic. I am so happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. You can see it's written Longchamp here. It's quite difficult to show, but oh, I finally have my white bag in Foulonne leather. I'm so happy. Really cute. Really cute. So, the bag used to retail for 420 euros, and I paid it 199 euro, so more than half of the price. I think it's 52% less, so a bargain, really a bargain. And above all, I finally got it, so I could not believe. I called my sister and said to her, oh my God, thank you, because I was missing this bag in my collection. You know, bowling bag I have known, and it's the vibe. You all know the Louis Vuitton Speedy, you all know the Ruby from Coach, and but I was afraid it was a bit heavy, because I know some people who think the Ruby is heavy. Here in Foulonne leather, it's super lightweight, and so really happy to have this guy. And the strap, as I showed you, it's really cute. And I will also include more shot. And the second item I have ordered, so it's also come in a box. And it is. I have known in my collection. It's this, oh, the Longchamp tag, it's this. Gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous keyring, or even back charm, because you've got, let me place it here. You've got this ring for the key, and you've got this. Oh my God, how does it work? I will find, yes, like this. You push like this, and look how gorgeous it is on your bag. Okay. Look at this. Super, super cute. This is in the burgundy color. I offered the same at for my sister in pink, and this one was on sale, so, and I think it's super cute. So I got the burgundy version. And also this one, it used to retail for, I think, 90 euro, and I only pay 25 euro, and I'm happy because I want to put it on my bag. Look at this, like this, it's super cute. So, like this. Look how funny it is. Really, really cute. And just to tell you guys, because sometimes you maybe see that sometimes I'm looking in this direction. Today I got my mother. My mother is here with me, and she never seen one of how I made a video. So I'm happy to have my mother with me today. Bisous, maman. And well, I have to stop here. I will go on this video a bit later because I'm running time. So guys, if you have questions, do not hesitate. And I could not believe my eyes. I could not believe my eyes. Stay tuned. Bye.